Pellegrino. Pellegrino at the top. Na libre, iniwan mag-isa sa 3. Shot. Rebound para sa Car Region. Atake ngayon. Stop. Pascual again. Same spot. Bang! Beating. Bump. Bahenting nag-spin. Looking for Pellegrino. Pellegrino with the handle. Guardia ng dalawa. Inside pass sa Nordia. Libre using the window. That's good. And it stops. Number 14 with the leader. Heading the play. Pass to the left wing. Cross pass. Number 14 launches on 3. No, too strong. Rebound dito si Pellegrino. Pellegrino ngayon. Aatake sa Noria. Bahenting. Goes to the screen. Nakalusot. Nilusotan yung dalawa. Nag-side step pass. Grabe yun. Bahenting. Cross the mid lane. Single hand pass. Number 14. Number 16. Takes. Step inside. Side step fires. That's good. Right side. Sa gitna sa 3. Bang! Pumukod! Trapping defense dito para sa Team Car. Number 14. Dancing at the floor. Close the mid lane. Pass to Butterbornia. Looking for Pellegrino. Pellegrino with the handle. Stepping the gas. Steps inside. Using the window. No. Rebound. Mapupunta dito sa Kara. Naagaw ngayon ni Butterbornia. Pellegrino. Corner pass. Launches on 3. Bang! At the basket. And a ball possession Kara sa gitna. Pinasa sa left wings. Sa gitna ulit. Number 24. Fires deep 3. Nope. Fight for the rebound. Mapupunta sa Car. Number 24. Fakes. Stop. Number 24 sa 3. Bang! 3 points. You go Team Karaa. Number 9. Number 8 to number 24. Right side. Number 16. De La Cruz. Sa gitna ngayon. And pass back De La Cruz against Bahenting. Create space. Launches on 3. Sure. No. In and out, number 24. Pass to number 16. Pass it back to the middle. Number 25, deep 3. Short. Rebound para mapupunta dito sa Team Dabraa. Here you go. Oh, straight to the hoops. Sanoria now. Pass to Bahenting. Bahenting now at the top. The crossover. He goes to the screen. Another attack inside pass. Butterbornia kick it out. Wide open for 3. No. Rebound mapupunta dito kay Sanoria ulit. Another fire sa 3. Bang! Nothing but gagawin ng Team Kara for the inbound. Oh, wings 3. Bang! What a inbound play. That's a triple shot. Here's Sanoria. Sanoria passes to number 14. He attacks, he bump, bounce pass inside, gandang cut, gandang finish, gandang pasa. Adwan now at the top, pass to the left, Pascual has 3, bang, another 3, back to back 3. And here's Sanoria, nagmamadali, the side step, oh, and it's a bucket. And 31-25 here, Pascual cross pass. And attacks, stops, sa gitna again, triple shot, bang! Back to back, 3! Sanoria, sa gitna, pass to number 14. Number 14 now, corner, Cayetano, sasagot, wala. Number 14, Adwan, cross the mid lane, pass to number 8, Sinta sa 3, bang! Basket and 1! Bahenting at the top, pass to the middle, pull up jumper, wala. Rebound, mapupunta kay Sanoria, fakes, kicks it out, open, decided to take easy for Pellegrino against number 11. Switch, corner, pass, fires, no. Rebound dito para sa Team Kara. Stepping the gas, number 11, pinasa kay number 25, pull up J, short. Rebound Pellegrino. Pellegrino guarded by 2, 2 on 3. Pellegrino create space, kicks it out by Hending, open look. Bang! By Hending for the receiver, number 25, Pascual. Pascual against Pellegrino, dancing at the floor, deep 3. Short. Mapupunta dito sa team Davao. Bounce pass. Atake ngayon, bam! Reverse layup. Oh! Sinausaw! Bornya completing the 3-point play and he gets complete the 3-point. Bump against number 16. Bahenting behind the back. Dancing, crossing, slope. Oh! He's making his dance and it's a bucket of friendly roll. The top, guarded by Pascual. Bahenting atake, pull-up jumper, nearly shot. Hey! Bucket is good. Number 14. 14 Davao. Pass to Bahenting. Bahenting. Cross the mid lane. Bahenting at the top. Atake. Dancing again. Spinning. Bumping. Lost the handle. Recover. Kicks it out. Here you go, Pellegrino. Pellegrino atake. The side step. The far of the window. Bang shot is good. Karaa at 1 for 3. No short. Rebound mapupunta dito para sa team Dabra. Number 17 bounce pass. Diretso bounce. Oh! Ball. And for the inbound, inaagaw dito ni Sanoria. Sanoria, long pass Pellegrino. Easy to. And number 25, Pascual. Number 15, sharing the play. And the pass number 25, spinning, Bahenting with him. Pascual dancing. Screens. Attack, nakalusot. Hook shot. No. Rebound dito, Butterborn. Bahenting. Nagmamadali. Pass, open, fix. Oh, gandang peke. Bang! And he connects the 3. Number 15, bounce pass. Number 11. Against Sonoria. Sa 3, sasagot. Bang! And stepping the gas, Pellegrino. Straight to the hoops. It's good. Number 15 now at the top. Bahenting with him. Pass to number 11. Against Sonoria. Straight and pass. Sa gitna. Stolen by Cayetano. Butterborn. Basket is good. Butterborn. 34, 20 point lead. 14 Davao. And it's number 24 Del Rosario off the mark. Rebound para kay Sanoria. Sanoria. Oh, pick pass. Man shot is good. Pass to Pellegrino. Pellegrino drive. Hook pass. Ang gandang pass. Oh my God. What the sauce the dunk. Oh. Amazing shot. Grabe, perfect pass, perfect dunk, hook shot, basket is good. Team Kara, number 14, number 16, hook shot, basket is good. For the inbound, number 1, Luge. Luge, Team Dabra. And behind the back dribble, high pass, Luge, bounce pass, space, oh! Oh no! Rebound putback shot, oh! Cleaning his own mess by Pellegrino. And he stops, attacks, kicks it out, open look, fires at 3, in and out. That's in and out and foul call. By and ball possession, mapupunta sa Kara mga bossing. For 3, bang! Pascual! Ending, creating space, lulusot, place rejected from behind. Bahending, sa gitna, Sanoria. Drives to the hoops, yes sir! And it's Team Kara. Spinning, firing, no. Rebound dito, Butterborn. Bahending, Sa gitna, Sanoria. Looking for Pellegrino. Pellegrino steps inside. Pass sa gitna. Libre sa Sanoria. Pinabitin pa! Pellegrino asintada. Aatake. Create space. Step back. No. Rebound. Butterbornia. Wait. Sakto. Kalusot na lusot. Butterbornia. Strong move. And here you go, team. Karaan, nakalusot. Pinabitin against Sanoria. And here you go, number 16 against Sanoria. Number 25, Pascual. Di distansya, aatake to the hoop. So rejected. Here's Pellegrino. Pellegrino sumegway sa gitna. Pinasa kay Sanoria. Pinabitin ka, no. Rebound dito. Mapupunta ta sa team Karaa. De La Cruz. Cross pass. Takes, drives, corner, number 11, number 16. At countdown tayo. Sa gitna, oh may nadapa. Natapikan. Saves the ball. Oh, pass break na yun. Pasa, number 14, rejected. Rejected from behind. Here comes Pellegrino spinning. Corner, fakes, drives. Hook pass, number 1, Luge wide open. No, in and out. Rebound Luge pa rin. Taking easy for Team Davao. Here you go. And here's Pellegrino. Pellegrino stop at 3. In and out. Rebound pa rin dito para sa Team Davao sa 3. No, wala pa rin. Oh! Basket and buwan ang hinahanap ng Team Davao. Pass tumalo ni Luge. Luge here. Number 1, bounce pass Sanoria. Hook shot. No! Number 14, Adwan. Adwan, straight to the hoops. No. Rebound, mapupunta kay Luge. Long pass, Butterbornia, 1-on-1. To the hoops, Montic na dinakdak. Grabe. 35 seconds left on the final quarter, mga bossing. Sa loob, pick. Umakyat ang bola. Yan. And good to go tayo, mga bossing.